Hi again, and this is Eric RPG, and we were playing Pulseman. We had just finished the India level and defeated a weird tree thing. Now we're on to stage 2, and apparently there's 7 levels in this game. There might possibly be more than that. I can't remember. It was so long ago, but here we go. We're going to the USA, and it says Doc Wariyama was seen at a casino. I bet he's not there just to gamble. So yeah, Wariyama is a bad dude, and he's probably in charge of all the bad shit that's been going on. And apparently there is a level select code. I bet all it does is advance you to the next part of the game without actually having to play through all the levels. Yeah, you kind of have to punch him. Just once or twice. Get away from me, Dr. Wariyama. Of course, that's not just the whole level. Now we're in the casino, and we're in the virtual world again. Apparently, I read this in a forum, but the Stage 1's music is actually the basis for the battle music of the original Pokemon game. If you listen to it closely, it's actually true. And apparently your Volt Tiger was the basis for Volt Tackle that Pikachu uses. I might have to... There we go. This jumping is odd sometimes. You have to get a running jump or it's not going to work out that well. If you don't want to defeat enemies, you can just flash arrow everything. And I missed a thing down there, so I'm going to go back down. Oh, one way. I can, I guess. I screwed up there. Oh, they apparently respawn. Alright, you gotta be careful with these platforms. Yeah, that's tricky. Huh. Looks like I'm gonna have to dash through them. That was a weird graphical glitch. Yay, we've chased him to the casino. There goes his tires. Just ride these drills down. It's the only way to go. Ooh. Kind of reminds me of these little blocks. I know they're chips, but they look like cookies. Well, aha, secret areas. Ooh. Too bad that doesn't give us any money. Jeez, this looks like Robotnik. I forgot I only had 2 hits of health. I don't want to keep expiring. I've got him on the ropes, but you never know when something bad can happen. I'll get you! I don't know why that missile launcher doesn't always work, but whatever. And that's that level. There we go. This is one of the harder ones. Oh well, I didn't get the bonus for that level. I ain't gonna retry. I got 15 continues and 5 lives right now.
Climb in progress.
So we've got 3 more levels. So, Next time we'll be going to Thailand, and we're going to ancient ruins surfacing in the Indian Ocean. This is Galaxy Gang scheme again? Jeez, Galaxy Gang. Team Galaxy. Huh. It looks like Game Freak's a fan of reusing some old concepts. But see you guys later.